Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chamomile ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy chamomile ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in treating diabetes and lowers blood sugar levels. It also reduces inflammation and helps to treat insomnia. Very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of dry chamomile flowers. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this chamomile ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the chamomile has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the chamomile ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this chamomile ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.